Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. It's the 75th birthday celebration of reggae legend Bob Marley, and in celebrating the late musical and cultural icon, a series of events is being held to honor his legacy and contribution to the world. Dubbed Marley 75, the commemorative plans will include live events and the release of exclusive digital content, recordings, and other unearthed treasures. The annual free concert kicked off with the morning spiritual ceremony held at the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston. The concert started with the blowing of the abeng to signify the beginning of the celebrations. The event also featured performances from spiritual groups, bands, and various school groups such as the One Love Youth Camp, the St. Andrew Prep, Kingsgate Prep, Mona High School, among others.
Emancipate yourself. Sing songs of freedom. Miss Effie, sing songs of freedom.
Other Marley 75 activities include the Idol Pop-Up Celebrity Cook-Off, which features professional chefs and celebrity sous chefs, Janelle Mayer, assisted by entertainer and host Fancy Cat, Duft and Shepherd, and ZJ Sparks. The Bob Marley 75th celebrations also included a Kiddies Village and Reggae Jam session.
Although the road be rough and the way seems steep, we'll be reaching to our goal.
Anybody that she ready for the coffee, anybody that she ready for the coffee, the coffee pressure to get coffee, the coffee the laugh in the coffee. When you see me in the dance, you no bother stop with a bag of chatting, me can't bother with that. Two big son in the land with 16 pan a rock, pan a knock and a man ya cross a man a rock to that. And everyone sees what's taking place. Huh? Oh. Another page in history. Yeah, we come from strength.
And a live concert which is currently being held at the museum. This event sees the likes of the Marley 75 ambassadors Jador, Kim Nain, Sharita and Delanda Coley, and climaxes with performances from the Marley brothers and grandchildren, plus Toots Hibbert, Nadine Sutherland, Richie Spice, and Jesse Royal. Happy birthday and rest in peace to a legend. Reggae star Etana is currently on her Spread the Love 2020 World Tour. The tour kicked off on January 17 and saw the Grammy-nominated artist making stops in Sydney, Melbourne, and New Zealand. The tour will end on March 22. Etana had a successful 2019 year following her year-long Reggae Forever World Tour, which came to an end in December. Etana is currently in the studio working on her 7th album, which is slated to be released during the summer. The Strong One was recently nominated in the Reggae Vocalist category at this year's International Reggae and World Music Awards. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime brought to you by